Hello everyone, welcome back to another success story live session of ProTRAINY. My name is Rashi Malik and I am going to be the host of today's session. And today we have Anmol Shrikhande, who recently graduated from BIM 6-month advanced course certification cohort from us. He completed his Bachelor of Technology from DY Patil College, Pune. So we are really privileged to have you. So apart from it, you would like to add something in it?
No, ma'am, it's good.
Okay. So let's start with a question to understand you in a much better way. So, sir, can you please tell me about what has your overall development been after joining ProTRAINY? What all skills you gained after this 6 months advanced course?
Yes, ma'am. Actually, I am working in on-site before the joining ProTRAINY. So I don't have a software knowledge much. So after joining, sir is very मतलब I mean sir बहुत ही informative थे मुझे. जो हमारे जो सर थे, उन्होंने बहुत help किया मुझे. So when I was joined that training, उस टाइम पे तो मुझे कुछ भी आता नहीं था एक्चुअली मेरा CAD भी नहीं हुआ था. So I was starting with Revit only. So it's a very much good experience.
Okay, it's like so really help you much.
Yes.
Okay, that's great. So just can you tell me about like, does the ProTRAINY offer support for obtaining advanced degree?
Yes, they are very supportive for that degree.
Okay, so this basically help you a lot for that.
Yes, right.
Okay, that's nice. Okay, so can you tell me where do you see yourself in next 5 years?
Actually, I am right now. I'm in BIM. Actually, I am right now a fresher, right? So I want to be almost a professional in that BIM system.
Okay.
In next 5 years.
Okay. All the best for that. May you reach your goals.
Thank you.
You're most welcome. So, what skill trainings have been implemented during the said period?
Actually, they starting from scratch, like almost they're starting from basics, like levels, and so that's why I have again almost like basic to advanced.
Okay, so that means you want to say you were not knowing anything about that level, and now you know everything.
Yes, right.
Okay. Okay. So, what skill do you value the most and why?
Actually, main skill is like a presentation. Actually, when we do any project, we have to present there, right? So that skill is very important. So I achieve that skill from ProTRAINY mostly.
Okay, so basically communicating with other people and implementing things and knowing yourself better. You want to say that way?
Yes, right.
Okay, so everything you learned from ProTRAINY only.
Actually, that presentation skill, I want to say, like before that, I'm just I mean I'm working with site only, so I don't want to present anything on site.
Okay.
So after joining ProTRAINY, I want to explain my project, all this my work to the sir actually.
Okay, so basically all your learnings.
Yes, right. So that's why I know how to explain my work to another one. I mean, like communicate to another.
Okay, so basically the communication skills.
हाँ basically कह सकते हैं उसको.
Okay, that's nice. So, how did your parents supported here?
Actually, basically बचपन से वो supportive ही थे मेरे लिए. सो दे कांट मतलब वो कुछ मतलब ऐसे कहते नहीं है मुझे कि ये मत करो वो मत करो, एक्चुअली वो जो भी मैं चाहता हूँ वो करने को बोल देते हैं सीधे। सो दे आर वेरी सपोर्टिव
Okay,
एक्चुअली
so your parents support you in each and every way. Like जो आपको करना है वो
एवरी वे।
आपको allow कर देते हैं करने के
हाँ,
लिए.
अलाउ कर
That's
देते
nice. That's great if they allow you and they support you.
यस, एक्चुअली दे आर
Okay.
वेरी मच सपोर्टिव टू मी।
Oh, that's great. Where they supported you for the course you opted for?
Mostly they don't know the knowledge about it, so they mostly support me as a financially supported me.
Okay, so basically they support you financially.
Yes, right. And I don't have a laptop actually before that, so they bring me the laptop actually.
Oh, that's super great.
Mm.
Like
Because
your
on
heart.
site I we don't mm, because on site we don't need a laptop, so I didn't buy bought that.
Okay.
So
So
after joining
basically
the
your
course,
hard
they
work is
bought me.
paying off, na?
Yes, right.
Okay. So after completing this advanced course, you have been landed into a job in big BIM company. The learnings which you
Hmm.
got here, did it help you in the interviews or is it helping while doing the job?
Yes, because what sir teaches, and that very very like a on-site experience in my words, because जो learning हमें चाहिए होती है जॉब के लिए वही सर ने सिखाई थी हमें। सो वो बहुत ही हेल्प हुआ मुझे, एक्चुअली इंटरव्यू में भी बहुत हुआ, क्योंकि सर ने बताए थे जो जो पॉइंट बताए थे कि क्या क्या पूछेंगे, लाइक लेवल्स, लेवल्स के बारे में पूछेंगे, उसके बाद रिबार के बारे में पूछेंगे। सो ये सब मुझे हेल्प हुआ उसमें। सो इंटरव्यू में भी हेल्प हुई, और जब हमें असाइनमेंट्स दिए थे कंपनी ने मुझे कुछ करने के लिए, तो उसमें भी बहुत सारी हेल्प हुई मुझे।
Can I
एक्चुअली
know?
सर ने जो बताया था उस हाँ, एक्चुअली जो सर ने जो बताए थे, जो जो बताया था सब कुछ, उसमें से ही सब असाइनमेंट्स आए हुए थे मुझे।
मतलब जो जो सर ने आपको कराया उससे आपको बहुत ज्यादा हेल्प हुई. सर ने वही बेसिक पॉइंट्स कवर करे थे कि जो इंटरव्यू में पूछे जाते हैं या फिर जिनसे
हाँ,
क्वेश्चंस आपको हो.
हाँ, और एक्चुअली क्वेश्चंस भी बताए थे, मतलब जब हमारे लेक्चर्स चालू थे, समझो लेट बी से अगर कोई लेवल्स का या what is it, अगर रिबार का लेक्चर चालू है, तो उसमें से क्या मतलब क्या आ सकता है इंटरव्यू के लिए, क्या पूछ सकते हैं, ये भी बताया था।
ओके, दैट्स नाइस. मतलब सर ने जितना भी आपको गाइड करा उससे आपको बहुत ज्यादा हेल्प हुआ है.
यस, राइट, बहुत ज्यादा।
Okay, so any advice you want to give for the upcoming engineers?
We say that BIM is the emerging field, right? So I want to say that अगर आपको अगर कोई आईटी फील्ड का एक्सपीरियंस लेना है इन सिविल में रह के, सो बीआईएम में आना चाहिए। एक्चुअली बीआईएम इज द बेस्ट फॉर फ्यूचर।
Okay, so मतलब you are highly recommending BIM course to civil engineers now.
राइट, राइट, बिकॉज अगर हम सोचेंगे कि अगर साइट हमें साइट का पता है, एक्चुअली मैं 3 साल साइट पे काम किया हूँ मैंने। So almost like they treat us like supervisors. Actually, they didn't treat like we are site engineers. So we have just to do technical work, right? But they didn't treat us like that. You have to do all the works, like bring water tanker, literally. So
Okay,
that like, so my site experience is like very bad for me.
okay.
लाइक फॉर मी आल्सो। हाँ, मेरे लिए तो बैड ही था। तो इस वजह से मैंने एक अनदर किए, मैंने स्विच कर ली इस फील्ड।
Okay. So Would you recommend this opportunity to other people? If yes, then according to you, what qualities should they already have?
Yeah, they should be uh, they first they know about computers very well actually. When we go with the softwares, actually we have problems with softwares main when we install the softwares, right? So we have to solve that problem first. How to install. After
Hmm.
that लिटरली कह सकते हैं कि आपको कंप्यूटर का नॉलेज थोड़ा बहुत होना चाहिए, बाकी कोई इतना रिकमेंड मतलब ये नहीं है, प्रॉब्लम कुछ नहीं है, तो आप सीधे आ सकते हो।
Okay, that's nice, sir. Okay, thank you, sir, for taking out time and for joining the session. It was really great to have you on board. Thank you, everyone, for joining. We will be super back with another amazing session. Do follow us on Instagram, YouTube, and LinkedIn for more updates. Have a nice day ahead.
थैंक यू।